Go, go. Alright, come on. Ow! Ow! Okay.
Okay, higher.
Up. Up. Up.
See, taller.
She is not. I am bending down here.
No, you weren't.
I am too.
Alright, go. No, you're not. Alright, go.
Come on. It's okay. Oh, that was close. That was close. Come on. Try it again. Come on. Try it again. Come on, Reah. Try it again. Up. Alright, come on. Up.
She wants to see how tall you are, Reah.
Come on.
Up, up, up.
Up. Okay, I'll give you a small bit. Come on.
That was taller than you.
That was because she was biting my hand.
No, she didn't.
Come on, up. Up.
She's like, I'm tired of it. I wish I could see her face on here, because it's definitely... No, it's just she's too dark, and it's too dark back there behind us. She's like, no, I'm done.
But I want the meat. I want the meat. Come on. Reah.
No, she's like, you're making me work for it. Stop it.
Oh.